So here is a package from a subscriber with an interesting LGA 3647 motherboard. Just to be clear, this is not a donation, I purchased everything, but it's still interesting to see this weird LGA 3647 motherboard. Well, let's take a closer look at the motherboard. I honestly have no idea what this motherboard is, where it comes from. Probably it stayed in some sort of ATM or other OEM machine, because it does not even have 24-pin power connector. We only have two 8-pin CPU power connectors, and the motherboard turns on immediately as you give it power. Then we are also limited to only 4 DDR4 memory slots, even though LGA 3647 CPUs have 6 memory channels. Still, the motherboard came with a pre-installed cooler and some basic CPU. I don't quite remember what the CPU is. And on top of that, we have 3 PCI Express X16 slots, 1 M.2 slot, which according to the label accepts both SATA and PCI Express SSDs. Then over here we have 2 SATA ports, and here we have breakout mini SAS SSF or SFF connectors, which I'm not sure what they are. These are probably more SATA ports, but maybe it also supports SAS drives, or maybe these are PCI Express lanes. I have absolutely no idea. For the I/O, we have 4 USB 3 ports, and then we have 2 Ethernet adapters and 1 IPMI, as well as VGA port output for IPMI. IPMI is speed AST 2500. So this motherboard can be remotely managed. What can you get out of it? I have no idea. You have to test it and see what can be done with this motherboard and what it can be used for.